Yeah, you see I got the feeder mice, man. Poor little things, man. And I try to give them some food, not make it too bad on them, give them water, throw them a couple of ice cubes. But between the hawk and the snake, they don't really have too much life in them, man, but oh well, you know? I seen the hawk earlier, man. He swooped by, like right there, like close about, I'd say he was within maybe 30 feet. He's seen them. He probably thinks like they're my pets or something, and if he snatches them, I'm gonna get mad. But really, I bought them just for them, man. I might have to throw one of them way up in the air when the hawk's around, so he knows, like, man, catch it. I'm sure at that point they'll realize, like, they don't have to try to sneak, man, to get the mice. They really can just land right in front of me and grab them. I don't care. But they're for the snake also, though. We'll see what happens, though.